Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind these readings are general in nature. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. This is a reading from 21st of September till the 30th of September. End of September you can say. Let's start Scorpio. Your partner's current energy right now is... I have to slow down a little bit now because I feel like I'm speeding up a lot. So your partner's current energy, Scorpio, right now is, let's see. Okay, cool, calm down. Two of Wands. They are waiting. Your partner right now is in the waiting zone or in the waiting area. Might be they're just waiting for you to arrive to them and talk to them, or might be they're waiting for some kind of interview or job offer, something. The waiting game is here. They are eagerly waiting for something to happen. Let me clarify the Two of Wands in their current energy. Let me clarify the Two of Wands in their current energy. Let me clarify. Queen of Wands in reverse and the Nine of Cups and the Knight of Wands. Okay, they are waiting for you very eagerly, but they are feeling like you are losing enthusiasm, or you are losing some kind of charm in them, losing interest in them, something like this. But they are waiting for their wish fulfillment to happen. They are waiting for you to go to them and talk to them. This is the situation. Waiting very eagerly. I feel like they were literally very attracted to you, very passionate about you in the past, but now this energy is going from Queen of Wands to the Knight of Wands, and this is a wish fulfillment. So if you are going to talk to them, or if you are going to have a conversation with them, communication with them, they are just waiting for that to happen, because they feel really connected to you, really passionate about you. You really make them happy. Now they are right now feeling a little less passionate about this, because the waiting game is making them irritated, might be frustrated, but they feel like you are their wish fulfillment and they are just waiting for you to go to them and talk to them. It might be you who is doing this, okay? The roles can be reversed anytime, I told you. So Scorpio, let's see what's your current energy. Scorpio, your current energy right now is, let's see. Scorpio, your current energy right now is... World. I feel like you are feeling like a cycle is completed in this connection, in this particular relationship with this partner. You feel like the relationship is, a phase is completed, a cycle is completed. I'm not saying the breakup thing is happening or separation is happening, but you are literally feeling like a cycle is completed and another cycle is starting. The World card is suggesting me that one phase is completed and now another phase is starting. Let's clarify the World as your current energy. That's your current energy, right? So I feel like you are feeling like this. I'm really sorry. Your current energy, Scorpio, it is your current energy, and you are feeling like a phase is completed, a cycle is completed in this connection with this particular partner or person. Let me clarify. It's not separation energy, it's completion energy. There's a difference. Page of Pentacles and the Hierophant and the Devil. God. You want to offer them, you want to marry this person, okay? You want to marry this person because you are obsessed with them. You are feeling like you are not able to come out of them. Okay, so one cycle is completed. According to you, one phase is completed, one cycle is completed. Now you want to offer them a marriage offer. You want to marry this person because you feel like you can't live without them, because you feel like you are just bounded to be with them, okay? This is kind of obsessive energy, that you are stuck somewhere. You could be dealing with a Taurus here, or you could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Both are at earthy energy, and see, this is Pentacle as well. Lots of earthy energy. So anyway, you are feeling like a cycle is completed, a friendship level is completed, or a commitment level is completed. You want to upgrade the level of commitment, and you want to marry this person because you feel like you can't live without them. This is the situation here, okay? Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Their feelings for you. What do this person feel for you? Four of Pentacles. This person is holding back, trying to control their emotions, trying to control the situation, might be trying to control you as well. I feel like this person right now is being a total control freak. They are holding back a lot of things, and they are feeling like I am not going to come out of my comfort zone because I'm uncomfortable, right? So they are not going to open up to you that much easily. Holding back lots of things. They are feeling like they should not talk to you on that level, or they should not tell you something that they are hiding. Like, it's not like a negative hiding or something. There is something that they want to tell you, but they are not able to tell you because they are holding back, trying to hold back. And for some of you, this person is so possessive that they are not letting you go anywhere. Okay, Four of Pentacles is the energy of not letting go. Okay, let me clarify the Four of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Eight of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Justice in reverse. They want to communicate, they want to put in effort, put in energy in this communication, in this connection with you, but they are not able to do that because the Justice card is in reverse. You could be dealing with a Libra here. Okay, so they are holding back the communication. The communication is regarding that they want to put in effort, put in energy in this connection. They want to make this connection work out with you, but they are not doing justice with their own feelings, with their own emotions. They are trying to hold back lots of things, lots of communication. They are trying to hold back lots of things from you and emotions from you, because they are feeling like this is not the right time, or they are feeling like they will not be able to do justice with you or with them or with the connection. There is some kind of sense of injustice that's stopping them to talk to you or to communicate with you and to tell you exactly what they are feeling. This is what they are feeling. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Hermit, Virgo energy. This person wants you to go within yourself and check what you feel, and check what you are doing, and check your deeds, and check your karma. This might be positive thing as well or negative as well. Let me clarify the Hermit card as what they want from you. Let me see. So this person definitely want you to tap into your spiritual side and see what you are doing, and see what you did with them or with this connection, or what wrong what wrong you did in the past. So they just want you to contemplate and analyze each and everything. Okay, whatever happened in the past in this connection, or whatever is happening currently, or whatever will happen. So they just want you to analyze, realize, read. Okay, now let me clarify the Hermit. Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor energy, and the High Priestess. See, this person wants you to be stable in your life, financially, stable in your life mentally and emotionally, and they want you to tap into your intuition and talk to your intuition. Talk to your higher powers, talk to your higher energies and spiritual guides or whatever. This person definitely wants you to be stable in your life and be stable minded and take a decision. Take one decision take one decision and stick to that. This is what they want from you. They want you to be financially independent. They want you to take some kind of decision and stick to that one decision, and listen to your intuition regarding this particular decision and go within. This is a deep contemplating phase. I feel like it might also be possible that you want this from that person. It's not always like this. Might be you are wanting this from this person, that they should go within and they should check their own emotions and they should just talk to themselves about this connection. This is the situation here. Okay, this is the situation here. It could be anybody. Might be you are wanting this from them, or might be they are wanting this from you. So take it how it resonates with you. Okay, now let's see what is coming towards you till the end of September. Let's see. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of September. Oh my god, marriage offer? Nah, it's very strange, very strange. Till now this person was holding back. You were also not ready for this. You were ready for marriage, I feel like you are going to give this person a marriage offer or a commitment offer of marriage or a proposal. Might be you are going to propose them or they are going to propose you. Whatever it is, it's going to be really happy energy by the end of September, Scorpio, for you. It's a very beautiful energy of commitment and stability and marriage. Nice. Let me clarify the Four of Wands as a potential. Oh, everything is falling down. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Cool. Let me clarify the Four of Wands as the potential outcome for you. Star, Two of Cups, Page of Wands. Beautiful energy of love, beautiful energy of union, beautiful start of a connection, and there will be a brand new beginning in this connection. See, Two of Cups and the Four of Wands. Beautiful energy of love, commitment, marriage offer, solid commitment offer, solid love offer. Star is card of positivity, hope. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here. Marriage is on the cards, marriage proposal is on the cards, soulmate love energy is on the cards. Scorpio, congratulations, your season is coming, by the way. So this is going to be a really good period for you. Thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. I am so happy for you guys. Congratulations and God bless you. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.